When I get back, this will probably not be my office anymore. Alex and I are converting this into a different room to be revealed later. Reason why, don't worry about it. We're doing something good with this room. All right, since I'm packing everything up, I figured I might as well show you guys around the office slash studio since I'm not gonna be using this anymore. Yeah, I'm gonna have to kind of tear this whole thing apart for the most part before I leave here. And yeah, we're gonna have to, it's gonna be moving before you guys see it again. So figured I might as well show you guys all this because I never really did like a studio tour for this year, which because I'm leaving, I figured it wasn't even gonna be a thing. I didn't even want to do that. So this is that view you guys normally see with my videos currently. I built this setup probably like maybe a month ago, maybe even 2, and I only use it for a little while, but I actually really like it. So when I get back, I will probably be redoing that again in a different office, and I may use that setup again, or I may do a variation of it. But for top-down filming and stuff like that, if you guys noticed, I actually started using I used the Vori Updesk that I did a video on. If you guys want to check that out, that's on the channel. And then I also got a rig to actually hang a camera like this instead of using a boom arm like I used to. I used to actually just use one of these guys and kind of like drape it over top. And the reason it didn't work very well was because sometimes when the weight gets too much, when these things go upwards, they tend to go like this and wiggle. And then when you wiggle your table, the camera doesn't stay straight. So I didn't like that. So this ended up being a lot more sturdy for me, and I hope you guys noticed that probably in my videos. So yeah, so that's my A6500 that I use for my top-down stuff with this 16 to 35 mil lens. So I use that for all the top-down. Right now I'm just kind of like putting everything away because, like I said, I'm leaving, so I'm grabbing all the stuff I'm going to take with me, you know, like lenses, my computer, all that kind of stuff. I'm trying to figure out which one of these docking stations I'm going to bring. I think I'm going to bring this one right here because it's kind of modular. And it's kind of cool, actually. I was messing around with it. It actually has RGB around the front here, so I'll probably end up, you guys will probably see that if I make, you know, start making videos in my, wherever the heck I end up being.
Get rid of that Windows 10 watermark and start saving with URCDKey. URCDKey offers deep discounts on games and software with my own special promo code. Purchasing your key is super easy. All you have to do is click on the item you want, click buy to add it to your cart, and then once you're in your cart, you can go ahead and enter my promo code RAV20 for 20% off of your purchase. After adding the promo code, you'll see your savings pop up, and you can then purchase your product with your chosen payment method. Finding and entering your Windows 10 CD key is super easy. All you have to do is go to your user profile, find your purchase, and click View Keys and Codes to reveal your new CD key. Then all you have to do is go to Settings in Windows, click on Update and Security, click on Activation, and finally click on Change Product Key and enter your new key into the window and click Next. You'll now have a fully licensed version of Windows 10 with 0 watermarks. Check the links in the video description to start saving now.
So over here, yeah, you guys probably saw this in my streams and whatnot too. Just use this little thing to organize stuff. I have all my batteries like right here. So that's kind of what I use that for. This thing used to be over here in my videos, if you guys remember, like in the back of my stream. If you guys are OGs and you guys are watching all that stuff. And it's just kind of messy right now because I have crap everywhere. Same thing with the shelf with my keyboards and my books and stuff on it. I just use that to display my keyboards in the back of my stream. But obviously, I'm taking a couple with me and then I'm leaving a few of them here. And then, you know, there's my shelf with a bunch of my video gear that most of this stuff right here I'm not going to take with me. That's my old drone. That's all my old lenses that I don't really use very much anymore. And that's my main stabilizer, actually, my gimbal from Zhiyun. But I'm not going to take that with me because it's too heavy and too big and I don't really need it. I took the camera phone one that, you know, I'll mainly be using. And then there's a whole bunch of CPUs that I've used in builds. So, and this used to have all my keyboard stuff all over it, and I'm packing that and putting it in a box. And I'll be taking a bunch of this with me. So guys, hopefully I'm still able to do the keyboard videos for you guys because this is something that I figure I'll be able to do no matter where I'm at. So I got a bunch of switches that you guys haven't been able to see on the channel yet. I got kiwis, I got dragon fruits, I got all sorts of stuff in here that I have not even gotten to do yet. Oh, I just picked this up for you guys. There's a sneak peek for that. These are from that company Asceni. These are some cool little keycaps. I'll probably put these in a video pretty soon. But yeah, I got everything in here. I got my main keyboard that I love right there. I got a GK61 under here that I'm gonna mod again for you guys. Yeah, you can see all the different switches and stuff that I'm gonna bring with me because I'm still gonna try to make content for you guys. And I'm packing up all my bags right here, my Pelican case full of my video gear. And this is pretty much, these 3 things are just what I'm bringing from my office. So I got to condense a lot of it because I don't really have very much space. So I'm trying to bring, you know, a minimal setup. But anyway, this is the, yeah, this is, I mean, here's the main spot you guys always have seen anyway. This is what it looks like right now. It's, you know, the same as it's been. Haven't really changed much because there's no reason to, because again, I'm leaving. So, you know, right now I'm currently copying all my video files that I need before I get gone and, you know, leave. I'm trying to figure all that stuff out, make sure I have all my hard drives set up so I can put that in my case over here and be able to edit for you guys while I'm gone. And then, yeah, here is the current setup right here that you guys will probably have seen a video on by the time you see this video. So yeah, there you go. Yeah, again, by the time you guys see this, I'm probably already gone, but I just wanted to give you guys a look at what the office looks like currently, because when I get back, this will probably not be my office anymore. Alex and I are converting this into a different room to be revealed later. Reason why, don't worry about it. We're doing something good with this room. And I will be moving my office downstairs, and I'm gonna make a completely new office setup. So that'll be a really awesome video I'll do when I get back. But I just wanted to show you guys the office and do a little tour and whatnot, because you guys never got to see it. Because I figured, why the heck would I make a video? I'm going to leave anyway. So yeah, and then, you know, if you guys wanted to see all this, you guys have seen the videos on all this stuff. I did videos on pretty much everything in my whole setup here. I did this entire setup in a video. So if you guys are new here, get subscribed, check out my other videos, all this stuff. I pretty much done a video on every bit of this stuff. I custom built this entire desk for myself. Whole video was on that too. Custom built this computer not too long ago, redid it and everything like that. You can see a video on that. And then, you know, even like these, I got a video on those too. So yeah, I pretty much did a video on everything in here, but it's about time I do a, you know, make a little change and we do something different. So that's what I'll end up doing, guys, when I get back. But like I said, just kind of wanted to show you guys this before I totally take everything and get out of here. So hope you guys enjoyed this office, and I hope you guys are excited to see what I do next. So that's really it. All right, and one last look at the office, and holy crap, the echo. Yep. This will not be the office anymore when I get back, but it is time for us to say goodbye.